No, respectable audience, I have a question for you. Question is 9 times 1 divided by 9 times 3 times 3. First of all, we have to solve parentheses, and there are 2 parentheses in this question. First parentheses have 9 times 1, so it is simple, it will be 9. Second parentheses have 9 divided by 3. It will be 3. Here is division and here is multiplication. Now, my question is, can we solve it by multiplying first? 3 times 3 will be equal to 9. 9 divided by 9 will be equal to 1, which will be wrong, because we have not followed the order of operation. You are understanding or not? Mean I have to solve in this way. 9 divided by 3 times 3 will be equal to 9. So 9 divided by 9, it will be equal to 1. But it is wrong. So we have to follow the order of operation for correct answer. For this purpose, we have to move from left to right. And first of all, the operation which is at left is division. So we have to divide first. 9 divided by 3 will be equal to 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 will be equal to 9. Hence, 9 will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.